As our classic cars and trucks get older, it's becoming harder to find bodies without rust or damage. And when you do find a body that's straight and rust-free, it can be expensive. Golden Star Classic Auto Parts is proud to offer bodies as an option for enthusiasts who want to start their next project with brand new sheet metal. What makes our bodies different from the rest? Golden Star Classic Auto Parts is both producer of the reproduction sheet metal and the company building the complete bodies. We perfect our stamping molds over time to make sure that each panel fits together as good or better than OE. Our team of body assembly experts utilize an advanced rotisserie lift with custom jigs and fixtures to ensure consistent quality on each body we produce. Once the panels are in place, we utilize resistance spot welders to weld in more spot welds than factory OE bodies. This ensures strength and rigidity. All panels are EDP coated with silver primer. Every body will require some bodywork and fitment before moving on to paint. When you're ready to purchase your Golden Star Classic Auto Parts body, we ship it packed in a steel crate from our location in Lewisville, Texas.